Go.
Ready? Yep.
It's a standstill.
Oh.
Remember when he met in box?
Yeah.
That was like a year ago.
Nice. That was like 2 years ago.
Matt got like freaking bad.
Wait a second. Sophie's girlfriend is mad. Yeah. She's watching her boyfriend and her brother fight.
Yeah.
Really, I won.
1 minute. No,
Wait, 1 minute's already gone
no,
by?
you guys still got 1 minute left.
1 minute left.
That's good with the counter. Cause you kept on fucking way.
Yeah.
See, Matt never gives up.
Well, you shouldn't.
He always gets up is what I'm saying, no matter what.
Yeah.
Who does?
Okay.
Matt, you just got hit by a train. Alright, you guys got 30 seconds.
Yeah, the woman pissed him off.
If he gives up after like 2 seconds.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I am fat. I'm like the fattest skinny kid you ever seen in your life.
Okay, I
Nah, he's just fine as fuck.
The only thing you eat for like lunch and dinner are fries, so
True that. And bread and mayonnaise. 10 seconds.
I
I got clogged arteries.
yes, you do it. Oh, oh.
Stop, 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 stop.